In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find specific companies on LinkedIn. If you're trying to locate an official company page, the process is simple once you know where to look. This is especially useful if you want to follow a business, learn more about its services, check recent updates, or confirm that you're viewing the right organization instead of a similar name. Start by going to your LinkedIn homepage and finding the search bar at the top of the screen. In that search bar, type the company's exact name as accurately as possible. Being precise here can save you time later, especially if the company has a common name or if several businesses use similar wording. After entering the name, run the search to see the results. Once the results page appears, the next thing you want to do is narrow the search so you're only looking at businesses. At the top of the search results, click the Companies tab. This step helps remove unrelated results like people, posts, jobs, or groups, making it much easier to focus only on company pages. If you skip this, the results can feel cluttered, and it may take longer to find what you need. If you still see more than one match, don't worry. This is very common, especially with large brands, regional branches, or companies that have similar names. Use the available filters to refine your search further. Depending on what LinkedIn shows you, you may be able to filter by things like location, industry, or company size. These filters are helpful when you know a little more about the organization you're trying to find. For example, if you know the company is based in a certain city or operates in a specific field, applying that filter can quickly narrow down the list. As you review the filtered results, take a moment to compare the company names and details carefully. This is important because the correct page may look very similar to other listings at first glance. Look for clues like the logo, location, industry description, or employee count to confirm you found the right organization. When you're confident you've identified the correct match, click on that company from the results list. This will open the official company profile page where you can explore their overview, recent activity, job postings, and other public information. That's all it takes. Search for the company by name, switch to the company's results, refine the list with filters if needed, and then open the correct profile page. Once you've done it a couple of times, finding specific companies on LinkedIn becomes quick and easy.